yo. Yeah. Ghana entertainment industry. Yeah. Me who say Fameye ejina Shatta Wale konso ding. Adanya. Or say ofre Shatta Wale on fa. Nemom no. Emre bia etwem na one Wale fine. But say si an ontimi hu se wetia Wale na so se die o ofre Shatta ase Shatta emfi no na ohia Shatta Wale verse.
But ni papa kwa me hear no verse. Me hear no verse. But me say we jam kakra. Shatta Wale. Now I'm a very good friend. I'm in Kasa. We used to talk a lot. You know, we share voice notes, we talk. We plan to have, records together. And then I don't know, all of a sudden, I don't know what happened. But maybe Ebia Makabi or baby na anya dana se bibia,
What do you think? Do you feel Sabia what can be?
I don't know, because to the best of my knowledge, I'm a very genuine person and a pure person. I think I do things intentionally. It is because I'm doing what I'm supposed to do rightfully, and it's very intentional. Because if I'm doing something bad, for a long term, I'm not going to. I know myself.
But what makes you feel say with Joe?
No, because he's not responding. He's not, Before we were active.
And you don't know Shatta Wale very well.
No, for the level I own him, that's fine. But for the level I know him, just allow me to say what I feel.
Yeah, I get you.
Yeah, maybe.
But I'm trying to tell you, say, Unyao.
Oh.
Unyao.
So, mommy will not say what that.
Eh?
What's it?
But so Unyao.
Mate. Ebeno krami move you.
Me move. Unyao, I can tell you for sure, say Unyao.
Right now, you are making an assumption.
No,
you are assuming that Unyao. It is all better now. No, cause we German. What would you say then?
Oh, then I will be surprised. The reason America said Unyao, and I say the only reason you are saying that is because he's not responding to you.
Let's not talk too much. I just want you to know that I love Shatta Wale. Me tiene no me penasem. Me feeling the pan bi. Me hear no me no studio. And it's not just because I want him in the studio.
Yeah.
Or you'll be it will be nice,
to work with.
And if I'm close like that. Me feeling anyone can say whatever or drink, papa.
Mesha say means abeka na echna na ebetimi akofie.
Now that I want friend and
then. Good. Production Monsha say betimi afriend. Me kasa because menene ye fine pa. But me mpo be 3 months ni maintain nka. Ejuma o here was say and I know it is not because we jam.
Who a musician?
No, maybe I know it is not because we jam. It is just the way it is. He will get back.
It's just the way I am thinking.
There be the Mandarin sir. Wale on fast many shade musa. He's a
me so me fa me the association one coming can.
There.
But me ka de me feel.
Yeah, you better try friend. Production mon try someone sabe kana. Yeah, sakana me sure say nkomo na bed.
Sano challenge.
He's a great guy.
Yeah. Fameye, I think say Ghana entertainment industry and as a Ghana music industry no. And was a sa level way no sa lie way no. And was a moment ye free ha come be foforo. As ye gina sa lie way na chedodo. As my yenyum me here attention me here numbers. And untino and was a obi asabi ni hu wo no. Me ni na asem bia wahu ye betimi a resolve even under G Crow bien hu no. Me de bakania mu na traditional media for nso wahu sa lie no. Sa de na twam. Fameye sa de na twam. Age when I ye wom no atwam. Age when I ye wom no. Bra life na ne wo audience na wo pay attention bra life na audience ni content creators no. Omu na so omu ani bri omu so. Omu na so omu share adwuma na waye no. Omu na so omu interact. No omu de wo message ni ko omu de wo nyom ne ko. Enya Shatta Wale a wada ne yire to ho. De ne nse fefa ne yire to ho. Ana be ha na adwene. Sa de na twam. Sadia na twam satete traditional age mindsets na wo yanyuma just wakwa attack obi ansa na ase okane aso na wo de asele onyom no sadia na twam eno na ama Ghana music industry no I stand still no sadia na twam dodo na muni Fameye no mon tag ni ma me se Fameye omra fie Fameye brafie uye musician ewo Ghana na wo ko ba bia ko yusu Shatta Wale din e dia pe numbers a muntie ni ye whether catch that traditional platform no Ekwa Shatta Wale akwama industry no any baby a Ghana industry no abedru any mfaso a mu nya free no ho se wontimi nkotena platform bia so nkoka asem way about Shatta Wale a moko mu interviews a mu ye mu project a na mu nya numbers na mo pena mo obi ankobo Shatta Wale din e mo obi anya sa mistake ni biem sa de na twam because Ghana music industry na Ghana entertainment industry ni industrial so obi nya asem anase obi hu bibi na o fight ya ma mu nyina na mo support no enu nti se na Nyankopon adom Wale etima ye nkakra ama ne ntoko ko ye no wadi nkunima ama sabi sese Shatta Wale din abaye prekese jamadu e wo Ghana music industry mu wa mo ni din a unya numbers a mo ko ba bia ma obi ankobo Shatta Wale din biem atwam saade ne atwam saade no atwam emra na Shatta Wale eko ye hu se musician bia beta na chi enye ne na obi abaye ne hu duabro ni se ase Wale ye ne bibia Shatta Wale onim obia mama Wale asumunyo no mama Wale and have fun with ne fans a sabi omu holding it down a omama na nima ngu ase a ene wabaye nipa na waye no Fameye also wo fan base ada bi omu gu TikTok omu pro no wadi nkomo omu nyan amafo use content e de ye bibi umfi omu umposti unya bibia mumu hu mo sa so sin nyame sa adwene na wo mutirimu no se mo hu mo sa mo so sin nyame mu ye Drake ene hwan mo eno nti mo ne mo fans interact mo ne mo fans enye bibia na emom no mo de mo benya nko a ma Wale edin ena meni o kasai Wale wadum ne phone odane wife maale to ho so hu ne wife maale phone Shatta Wale ne wife maamile no body yatam anunti Wale nyase bi wa ba life anase o studio anase on ne fans interactive or TikTok ne other live platforms a Wale dane yire ne to ho no de ne say den e fa ho interview we efa Shatta Wale ho ben Fameye interview we na emfa Shatta Wale ho and Fameye baby awadri Fameye two person ka tell me say ohia Shatta Wale that agent industry we mu no enti wontimi mfa baby a enya Shatta Wale attention apart from say all the better platform bi so abeka nyoma bi whether me and some are okay, me nim so what they tarnishing image oh, so now they pay numbers so they Bonah basso, so just have me doing one. I mean, tiasie. Hey yo, no, hey sha. And if I'm your person, catch them and say, ye need artists be our own so what ball promo over the years I won't feel no. But I told the beer, wow, to me who ever will come and we say no. Ebi nipa we hia obibi but the timing is not right. Fameye we a creative person, we a musician, we a talented musicians e wo Ghana yentimi nyi Fameye enfri yentimi nyi Fameye enfrim Fameye wa wonim say to be the energy is not right, the timing is not right. Enu nti ebi a Wale kura e ma ye no ebi a Wale one thing am hu Wale hu ne say unforcing your man Shatta Wale unforcing your man. Obiem at the right time. Fameye give time the right time. Time nanka sabe solve it time issue between you and Shatta Wale. Nemo no next time bia obeko platform bia so apeso o de Shatta Wale din ba mu no. Masa platform ni hu say na ye wo obi e wo Ghana ye wo musician bia o sacrifice ne brand, ne identity, ne catalog, ne nyum, ne bibia to fight say Ghanaian musicians ebenya freedom. To fight say Ghanaian musicians pay free Ghana. No mo ba akonto ma Ghana for ebe accept mo. Eno na mo kwa abonten a mo nko kan about Shatta Wale. Se wo kwa abonten na ntimi nko kan same way about Shatta Wale a. Ema musician bia nko kan enko tran platform bia nko ka so nim Shatta Wale. Obi anim Shatta Wale o ba bia mo ma Shatta Wale honyo. Mo ma Shatta Wale honyo. Adan yaw. Minim kra no. Enche bia Fameye only medical more banga ewa bonten. Ye nyina nim say the medical ene Shatta Wale sitie. Medical ne Shatta Wale ye nim say the mu sitie. Enti Fameye o pa che say only medical so problem ana. Because so only medical ye fine probability say as yes o pass my culture nyame na aka gum from him. Which means assembly a person catch Wale a unya ne bia no o pass it through medical ubenya no. Enuti that agent me sure say assembly now person catch Wale bia no wate. Unya opportunity any Kojo Sheldon etna se one on one. Ye nyina ni masema akoka fa Shatta Wale ho. Sabi one ka asem bone de na mom no akankasa na mu odu okasa ya ye wa aso yete. Wo se onya abotre kakra. Anya sa na fam ye okan.
But
that is coming from, these are coming from your colleagues and things.
But yeah,
Shatta Wale. What you mean continue podcast? No, I can come with you.
Wale the okay, say the mini papa, but I feel so no sooner quiet.
Okay.
My father, I know you. Come if you father.
Oh yeah, Shatta, you be a fan.
Yeah. Me won is super neck a crowd.
You have a swimming pool in your house though. Because the day you go get beef, you go over you.
Swimming pool.
Them go take drag you.
No, you see, sometimes in the casa no, I am not person motivate street.
No, okay.
Just that if you are not a banner and buy yes, and if you are a topic in assist because you say well you enjoy life. She shake a cry not that pool not to sky a good day. Me pay good day at to come way a kind of sense over. But me per se ice be a damn cool
ISIS.
It's me while ya me stone boy motivated stone boy or how or communicate ne inspiration and motivation.
Yeah.
While in so choir.
True.
And also or sending the motivation up. We are different people.
Yeah.
Only the gidi
aggressive.
Yes. Anna father dey no say boko. Intimate na say me say the motivation be boa me. Because the person me yes snap me call live and me da pull more media. Me da cars I say me will be there but me nya anka
more good day.
Okay. But father
make it talanku. Make it.
Di talanku dey be go my father. I will trek. Yeah, onya will trek my pitamo.
Okay.
Yeah, bibi abefa. Me so open that shit nko yi.
Okay.
Nko so bi abata ya na so enya abotre.
Enti ni pa o se onto ne bono. Wanya nto wase amawa. Eyaw. No, eya. No, Ghana music industry. Ghana music industry. Udi achira be kasa nya pressure. Me na make achira because emu nyoma no, odwene ho a onti ase. Fameye sa traditional age na ye de selling nyom no ene etwem. Why nyom ti no wakoko obi an hu wo mu ho asem se be ya wo ho udi be generate traffic ne sanemanyo no fameye say si agro no ayemre. Social media ma agro no ayemre. Social media ama agro na ayemre. Come online o fan base no mu nyina o online o mo twen. Et family o patch say uye o project we no obi achi na ni sana dabi your content creators omu use nyom no e de ye no ma bebre o TikTok e mu dodo say nkwa no aposti ama won so no o fan base na hu anasa o numbers na hu uye project we no how many times no ba bonten na wo ni o fan base no kasa wo bia TikTok anase Facebook live anase YouTube live anase Twitch ne sa nyama no family agro na twemo sa tetikuntan me musician that lumbo bia humi ne sa nyama no ye age we no ye sa family obeche o hwa ye age we se de hu se bia wo so no se say average content creator kura no hu no se oso sin nyame eyaw. No, Asia. Wale. Papa. Family so to catch on anything. Eya. Mr. Same, Fameye say, ohia Shatta Wale verse o. Papa Antino. And penifo so pass my catch nyame a ana aka gum from am. Ebi so a Fameye trying the best. Onya Wale attention into the best thing I say. Some penifo see two for them no entia. Ghana entertainment industry. Thanks a million for being part of today's episode of The Bonah Show. Don't forget to subscribe and be part of this bigger family. Onyankopon show. Na until enim chro. I'm out.